work of beginnings. From the dust you shaped the first one. In your likeness, in your light, through his children flowed the promise, generation after night. Names like footsteps through the ages echoed softly down the line. Every life a brief reflection of the image you designed. Through the years and through the shadow, still your blessing carried on. Every birth and spark of mercy, every life a fragile song. Though the dust returns to ashes, still your faithfulness remains. In the line of those who know you, hope kept burning through the names. The weight of years, Adam's sons and Adam's daughters lived their days beneath the sun. On the years, and slow the fading, till their earthly work was done. Yet the thread of life continued, woven by your steady hand. Every father, every offspring, marked by more than shifting sand. In the midst of mortal stories, one life rose with different sound. Enoch walked in close communion till he vanished from the ground. Not by death was he surrendered, not by dust returned below. You had drawn him into the glory where the living waters flow. Years roll on like distant thunder, generations found their place. Lamech named his son with longing, spoke of comfort, spoke of grace. Noah started chapters ending, last in line before the flood. Through his name the world would witness both your judgment and your love. every name you choose to say.